people, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be sharing with you my Gucci Marmont card holder. I did pick this up back in December for Christmas, for just a Christmas gift to myself. I've been wanting a new card holder for a very long time, and I wanted to make a good investment because buying high-end brands, bags or wallets are an investment in my own personal opinion, because years down the line some of them still hold their value and you can still resell them back and get a little coin back. So I decided to pick up this 5 card holder from Gucci. I'm really excited, really happy. I extremely love the packaging, as you guys can see from the intro, what I've shown you guys when I was opening it. And these are just what it comes with. The little card, like a little booklet, communication booklet, and all that jazz. But this retails on Gucci for $270. I do, however, have the Gucci Marmont bag, so this goes perfect with matching it as well. And the leather and how it's structured is very beautiful, just very beautiful. I've only used this card holder like probably twice when I was on vacation in December. And this is the back part. It's not stretched because I'm only going to be using this if I am going out for dinner, grabbing drinks with the girls, and I don't want to carry my bulky wallet, so I opted to get this one. What I love about this is the unique stitching and the Marmont design. This is actually soft leather, so I'm thinking that this might scratch a bit easily, but with care I should be fine. I love the gold brass GG on it, which that's what it's known for. I just love this card holder, guys. I'm so ecstatic. I wish you guys could see my face because I'm really ecstatic. And the stitching is very precise. I was going to buy this pre-loved, to be honest, because I was doing a few research, and what I did notice was that if I did go ahead and get it pre-loved, I'd be paying almost the same price of if I've gotten it brand new, because on what's it called, on not Fashion File, it's well, even on Fashion File they had it for a seller. Well, on Fashion File they had one for like 3 something, where on Gucci you're getting this for like 270. Even with taxes it would come to, I didn't pay over 300, to be honest. So yeah, just get it brand new. And even on Poshmark sellers were selling it for over 300, or even the same price as what they bought it for. And the leather was a bit stretched, which they were honest enough to let you know the condition of the item. So I just opted to just get a brand new one, being that the price range wasn't that much far off. So I definitely love it. Love the detailed packaging, and everything is like so vintage and so chic. Just love it. So yeah, so that's my review on my little Gucci Marmont card holder. I'm opting to save for the Gucci Marmont wallet, but that won't be until December, God spares life. I'll invest it, well, continue saving and invest to get that one. So yeah, so until next time, guys, love you guys, take care, stay beautiful, stay blessed.